by substitution. Here are two equations. Y plus 2x equals 0 and x plus 4y equals 21. I'm going to number this as equation 1 and equation 2. You choose one of the equations and isolate a variable. I'm going to choose equation 1, and it changes to y equals negative 2x. I'm going to call this equation 3. Then you put equation 3 into equation 2. So this becomes x plus 4 times negative 2x equals 21. And then you solve it. So x plus 4 times negative 2x equals x minus 8x, and it equals 21. And then you combine these two, so it becomes negative 7x equals 21. And then you divide by 7 to isolate the x, and it becomes x equals negative 3. And this is your x. To find y, you just pick one of these equations to put x into. I'm going to pick equation 1 because it's easier. Y plus 2x equals 0. And then I put negative 3 here. So it becomes y plus 2 times negative 3 equals 0. 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. And then I bring negative 6 on this side, so it's equals y equals 6. The coordinates for this system is negative 3 and 6. Now we're going to do another equation, and this one involves fractions, so it's harder. First, you number the equations. This is going to be number 1 and number 2. Since there's a fraction, you have to multiply it by 2 to get rid of the denominator. So it becomes 9x equals 6 minus 6y. And then we have to isolate a variable. So I'm going to move this to the other side. So it becomes 6y equals negative 9x plus 6. And to get rid of the 6, so y will be by itself, we divide by 6. So it becomes y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 1. Since we have our third equation now, we have to put this into the second equation. And then it becomes negative 2 equals negative 3x minus 2 times negative 3 over 2x plus 1. And then we solve it. So it becomes negative 2 equals negative 3x, and the negative 2 cancels out with this denominator, so it becomes positive 3x minus 2. And then it becomes negative 2 equals negative 2, because negative 3x plus 3x cancels out, so all is left is negative 2. Because these two are the same numbers, it is an infinite solution. To check your work, you have to plug in back the coordinates back into both of the equations. Since y is 6, I'm going to put 6 plus 2 times negative 3, because the x coordinate is negative 3, equals 0. And then I'm going to solve it. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And 6 plus negative 6 is 0. So the first equation is right. Now I'm going to do the second equation. So I'm going to put negative 3 plus 4 times 6 equals 21. 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 plus negative 3 is 21. So since these coordinates work for this system, it means it's right.